Hello, I'm Nicole Sherwin. I started Eco Diva because I was suffering with really horrendous skin problems. I had adult acne and really bad pigmentation and actually was suffering from mercury poisoning. So I went on this journey to find out why and realized that the personal care products and skincare products I was using had so many toxic chemicals in all of them that it created an immune system that was very, very weak. And I got very, very sick. So I threw out all of my personal care and skincare products and my makeup and started making formulations in my kitchen. And then I was asked to do this on espresso, and 2 years later I had some really amazing formulations that I'd created. This is Eco Diva, and the products are very, very healing. They're amazing for pigmentations, acne, rosacea, eczemas, psoriasis, any skin irritations, and I'm going to take you through the range and how I use them and how they have completely transformed my skin from me not wanting to leave the house. I was in so much angst about my face to the fact that I actually don't even need to wear makeup or foundation anymore. So I'm very, very excited to get started on this journey, and come join me. Let's start. I recommend starting with our Eco Diva face wash. I use it morning and evening, so twice a day, and if I'm not using the Ecofoliant Skin Polish, I will wash twice. And the face wash is so gentle, it doesn't strip skin of its natural oils, and it even removes eye makeup. So you don't need extra products for that. The face wash can either be used as a face wash, or alternatively, if you prefer like a cleanser, you just don't add water and then it's more like a cream cleanser, and then you can wipe it off with your cloth or your cotton pads, any which way you like to use it. Okay, now we're moving on to the second product in the spa ritual routine, which is the Ecofoliant Skin Polish. And now the way the Ecofoliant Skin Polish works is you pour a little bit in your hand. It's a dry exfoliator, super natural, and you activate it with a pump of face wash and a little bit of water, and you ensure that you turn it into a really lovely paste. And then you exfoliate very, very gently the whole face, neck area, chest area, and don't forget your lips. It's the most amazing lip scrub. It's so gentle as well. You can also exfoliate underneath your eyes. Sometimes people forget about those areas, but this is super natural, so it's no problem to do that. There are no microbeads in this product, so it's reef safe, ocean safe, water safe, and most importantly safe for your skin. So next is our third product in the at-home spa tutorial for the face, and it's our hydrating mask. Now I love the hydrating mask because it's got two different actions. It's super hydrating, obviously because of the title, but also if you do happen to get a pimple or a breakout, you can dab the mask onto the particular area, sleep with it overnight, and then wash it off in the morning, and it's massive pimple reduction. So that's really, really exciting. The best way to use the mask is to scoop a little bit out into a bowl and then add a little bit of water, and I love to activate it with our liquid Vitamin Hydra Mist. I don't know what it does, and I don't know how I managed to find this out, but I just was experimenting. So I activate it and then I mix it up into the bowl and create this really lovely paste that I then paint onto my face. And again, you can use under eyes, you can use on your lips, don't forget your neck and chest area. And then for about 20 minutes, I want you to go and have some fly time. So our fly time is called FirstLoveYourself, and it's whatever you love doing that makes you feel peaceful, that makes you feel whole, and that makes you feel happy. Right, we come to my next favorite product. They're all favorites, but this one is just heavenly. This is instead of a toner, because I found that when I use toners, it would make my skin really, really dry because of the alcohol content. So I created a liquid Vitamin Hydra Mist, which does just that. It sprays a shot of vitamins to the skin every time you spray it. And I like to spray it in the morning instead of the toner, but throughout the day when I'm feeling a little bit tired, it just gives me a pep up. because the essential oils we've used are all uplifting, happy, but they're also antibacterial, and they also offer the skin the nutrients and the vitamins it needs to self-heal. The Superfood Face Serum. Oh, I know I keep saying one of my favorites and one of my favorites, but this really is packed with 7 magical oils that help to hydrate, that help to deeply nourish the skin, that help to feed the skin with the nutrients it needs to self-heal. So all the vitamins are in there, all your vitamin C's, your hyaluronic acids, your vitamin E's, your vitamin A's, they're all packed in this just gorgeous little bottle of superfood treats. And I like to use about 5 or 6 drops, and then I warm the serum in my hands, and then I pat onto my face first, just so that the skin feels ready to absorb it, and then I'll slowly smooth into my skin. Don't forget the neck and the chest area, and that is the Superfood Face Serum. But if you use it in conjunction with our face cream, it becomes our Double Diva Glow, and that's a whole other story of glow, glow, glow. And this is our Eco Diva Face Cream. It doesn't have a superfood or a vitamin name because it's a standalone product that really, really helps to heal the skin. So it helps with eczemas and rosaceas and any skin condition, helps to really soothe, calm, smooth, and hydrate in a way that you cannot believe. And the best thing is, a little goes a long way. So I usually use about half a fingernail, that's all, and I just put it into my hand. I then warm it in my hand, similar to what I did with the Superfood Face Serum, and then again pat onto the skin. Now this face cream can be obviously used twice a day, and people think it's quite rich when they first use it, but it actually, what happens is your skin absorbs all those superfood nutrients and starts this self-healing journey, which is actually miraculous. It's brilliant for scarring, it's brilliant for any acne or skin conditions that you may be suffering, and it changed my life completely. For me personally, I like to buy into brands that have authenticity and an ethos that aligns with my ethos. And the ethos I've created with Eco Diva is we are 100% natural, we're cruelty-free, not one product is ever tested on animals. We're vegan, unisex, so it's for all skins and all humans, hypoallergenic, eco-friendly, so all the products and packaging are created within the environment in mind, nutrient-rich, and also proudly South African. So we are locally made, and I just love all those ethos because they just help everybody. It's a kindness brand. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I'd love to see your tutorials, so please don't forget to tag us and repost this, and we look forward to